Hi guys, welcome back to my 5th lesson about Abacus. As you know, this is Abacus and Chess Learning Program. Now, I'm yours, Teacher Dixon. When we talk about Abacus, as you all know that Abacus is a pure calculator. We use Abacus in calculation of mathematics, both subtraction, multiplication, division, LCM, GCT, and even percentage. Now, and this Abacus is even faster than a calculator. Now, for today, I'm going to show you how to use Abacus in calculation of mathematics. And when we talk about Abacus, in my previous lessons, I told you that in Abacus we have some terms that we always use. And I told you that today I will be teaching you how to add using small friends. Now when we talk about small friends, in Abacus, small friends, these are two numbers. When you add together, you get 5. For example of these small friends, we have 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 is equals 5. We have 2 and 3. We have 3 and 2. And finally, we have 1 and 4. Now, that means the small friend of 4 is equals to 1. The small friend of 1 is equals to 4. The small friend of 2 is equals to 3. And the small friend of 3 is equals to 4. We have only 4 pairs of small friends. That is 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, and finally 4 and 1. And this small friends, we apply the idea of small friends when the bits that you want to add is not enough and the number that you want to add is less than 5 and your 5 it has not been used. For example, now look at this abacus of mine. I clear first my abacus. If I have 4, I want to add 1. It means my bits are not enough because I don't have 1 here. So I will get my 1 from 5. Now, this idea of small friends, it brings now the normal idea of borrowing. Now, I will get my 1 from 5. That means I will borrow 1 from 5. Now, I will ask myself, if I want to add 1 and 1 is not there, and 5 it has not been used, so what am I supposed to do? 1. Now, the small friend of 1 is 4. Now this is how I will do it. I will add 5, I less 4. I will add 5, I less 4. If I have 4, I want to add 2. 2 is not there. I will ask myself, what is the small friend of 2? That is 3. So I add 5, I less 3. My answer is 6. If I have 4, I want to add 3, and 3 is not there. What am I supposed to do? I add 5, I less 2. My answer is 7. So that means 4 plus 3 is 7. If I want to add 4, and 4 is not there, so I will get my 4 from 5. So the small friend of 4 is 1. So I add 5, I less 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Now, in Abacus, we have some formulas that we always follow. Remember, in all calculations about small friend of addition, I start with add 5. And then I less the little friend or the small friend. Now, I have some formulas here, and I'm going to show you these formulas. If I want to add 1, and you see my bits are not enough, what am I supposed to do? I add 5, I less 4. If I want to add 2 and my bits are not there, so what am I supposed to do? I add 5, I less 3. If I want to add 3 and bits are not there, I add 5, I less 2. If I want to add 4 and my bits are not there, I add 5, I less 1. Now, from this formula, you see it indicates that 5 is constant. And then you take away the small friends of the number that you want to add. Same as we move on, I will show you even this is ones. But what if I want to add something like 50, 20, 30, 40, and so on, and bits are not enough? I will also show you how to add those ones. For today, let me deal with addition of 1, 2, 3, 4 using small friends. Let's start. I will start with 1. I want to add 1. Now, this is my abacus. 3 plus 1 plus 5. I want to add 5. It's there. Take away 5. Add 1. Now I want to add 1. You see, I don't have 1 here. So what am I supposed to do? Now I apply my idea of small friends. Now, when we talk about small friends of adding 1, remember I told you plus 1 is equals to add 4, add 5, less 4. I add 5, I less 4. My answer is 5. I clear my abacus. Next example, 4 plus 1. 1 is not there. So plus 1 is equals to add 5, less 4. And then plus 2. My answer is 7. Another example, 5 plus 4 minus 5 plus 1. 1 is not there. So plus 1 is equals to add 5, less 4. And finally my answer is 5. Another example, 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 1. 1 is not there. So plus 1 is equals to add 5, less 4. And then minus 5. I less 5. My final answer is 0. That is how to add 1. Let's see how to add 2. And remember, plus 2 is equals to add 5, less 3. Let's see. 1 plus 2 plus 2 again. 2 is not there, I have only 1. So plus 2 is equals to add 5, less 3. The final answer is 5. I clear my abacus. Next example, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus, minus 5. Plus 2. Want to add 2. 2 is not there. Plus 2 is equals to add 5, less 3. And then minus 6. I less 6. My answer is 0. Next, 4 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. My answer is 7. That is how to add 2. Remember, plus 2 is equals to add 5 less 3. Now, let's see 3 now. If I want to add 3, and bits are not enough, plus 3. Plus 3 is equals to add 5 less 2. I'm going to less 2 because the small friend of 2 is 3. Let's start. 2 plus 5 minus 5 plus 3. 3 is not there. So plus 3 is equals to add 5 less 2. And finally plus 4 is equals to 9. Next, 4 plus 3. Plus 3 is equals to add 5 less 2. And then plus 2. My answer is 5. Next, I talk about 8. 8 minus 5 plus 3 plus 3 again. The answer is 9. That is how to add 3. And remember, 3 is equals to add 5 less 2. And finally, let's see 4. If I want to add 4, and my bits are not enough, plus 4 is equals to add 5 less 1. 4 plus 4. Bits are not enough. Plus 4 is equal to add 5 less 1. 7 minus 5 plus 4. Plus 4 is equals to add 5 less 1. The answer is 6. Next, 8 plus minus 2 minus 5 plus 4. Plus 4 is equals to add 5 less 1. The answer is 5. Now, when we talk about small friends of addition, don't forget you need to start with addition of 5 before you take away the small friends. I'm going to use this small abacus so that you can be able to see how this small abacus also used. Now, for example, 4. On this abacus, this one is my ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. This one is decimals. So the red one is my ones. So this is how you do it. 4. I will write 4 plus 1. 1 is not there. So plus 1 is equals to add 5 less 4 plus 3. My answer becomes 5, 6, 7, 8. I clear my abacus. 8 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 plus 4. I add 5, I less 1. The answer is 6. Another one. 9 minus 7, 5, 6, 7 plus 6 plus 5, 6 minus 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4 plus 1. 1 is not there. Plus 1 is equals to add 5 less 4. The answer is 5. Now, this abacus, as you see, you can do any type of calculation as faster as you can. Now, look at here. For example, I'm going to show you how to do this calculation using this abacus very faster and accurate. 8 minus 2 plus 3 minus 9 plus 2 plus 6 minus 3 minus 5 plus 4. The answer is 4. I clear my abacus. 5. That is 5. I clear my abacus first. Sorry. Yes, I make sure that my abacus is well cleared. Okay, 5 plus 4 minus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 7 plus 1. What is the answer? My answer is 3. That is how you use abacus in calculation of mathematics in addition of small friends. Now, in my next lesson, I will show you how to less using the small friends. And this is how lessing you can do lessing. Now, for example, if I have something like 6, I want to take away 3. 3 is not there. So what am I supposed to do? Let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you.